Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a biker Baba vlogs, a Goan YouTuber, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. So I am heading towards Netravali. So I am at Tilamol right now. It's heavy raining here now. So from here I'm leaving to Netravali. Let's see what we can see there. I don't know if they open there. I heard that one fall is open there. Let's see what we can see today. So it's heavy raining here outside. I won't be able to capture a ride video. Let's see if the rain stops, then I will try to show you that. Then I'll come back from the Kankon area. I'll catch the Kankon road from that side. Then I'll go to the Kankon area. Let's see what we can see there on the way. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, I'm here somewhere. It's next to Netravali. Just a few kilometers away from here, maybe 10 something. Okay, I'll just try to show you something there. I'm at Netravali here now. I came here on this Sunday on July 18 here, but the waterfall is closed here. They are not allowing us to go inside there because water level is very high. That's why the tourists not should go inside there. Even I cannot go there, so I have to come back from the entrance gate. So from here I'll go to the Budbude lake. It's nearby here. Then I will go to the Kankon road from here. Let's see what we can see on the way on that place there. Okay guys, this is Budbude lake here. So waterfall is not open there. So I'm going to show you this now. So guys, I am done with the Budbude Lake in Netravali here. Those who came to the waterfall on Sunday here, these people have visited this place also. So from here I am going to the Kankon area from that road there, other side. So I'll try to show you on the way. Okay, if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, then see you in the next episode of this ride.